Your assignment, build a blog. Okay, let me just do a quick npx, create React app, my blog, and do a total overkill of my assignment. Or just use Astro, which is similar to a static site generator and makes your life much easier. So what is Astro? Astro is an all-in-one web framework for building fast, content-focused websites. Some of the key features of the Astro frameworks are Component Island, which is a new architecture of building fast websites that consider your website as an ocean and the components as small islands. Serverless API design. Opposite to Next.js, expensive hydration is removed from users' devices, increasing site speed. Zero JavaScript by default. Now, not that you don't use JavaScript at all, but no JavaScript runtime overhead to slow you down when you're starting your website. JavaScript is only loaded when it is required. Edge ready. It can run global edge runtime like Dino and Cloudflare. It is fully customizable with frameworks like Tailwind CSS, MDX, and tons of other integrations to choose from. And the best of all, UI agnostic, which means it supports React, Preact, Svelte, Vue, Solid, Lit, and many more integrable components. You just add or install all of them if you wish. I wouldn't recommend it, and it will work with Astro. So how do you run Astro? First, open up Visual Studio Code or just open up a command palette. Then open up the terminal and type in npm create Astro and use @latest if you want to have the latest version. Press enter, which will start the installation and ask you a couple of questions. First, project name. I'm going to choose my Astro site. Then if you wish to use a template, in our case we will use a blog template. Next up, you can install your npm dependencies by choosing yes, and you will see those being installed in your Astro folder. After npm is successfully installed, you will be asked if you wish to create a repository. In our case, we won't do that, but I will always suggest to do so. So let's choose no. Now, TypeScript, I will choose React, but in our case, I will choose preferred not to use TypeScript. Now, when you're all said and done, there are a couple of ways to start your website. Going into package.json, you will see that you can npm run dev or just start. I'm going to use by cding, first of all, into my Astro site, then npm start. And this will start your very first Astro dev website. Our website launched on localhost 3001, so let's click on it, holding down Control or Command, and there we go, our very first Astro website. Completely functional blog with navigation for blog, about, Twitter, which will launch the Twitter of Astro, and GitHub, which will launch the repository. If you wish to change something in your website, then you just go back, and I said Astro is component based. Components are only loaded when they are necessary, so if you will go into components, check out header, which is this top component, and look for site title. You will see that it is used by a variable from the config file. So let's go to config ts and let's change this to Norbert website. Command S and you will see the title changing. Hope to enjoy this short tutorial, and now you know what Astro is. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Astro tutorials. I wish you all a wonderful day and see you next time.